All right, I already slapped the axle back in there. Now then, Jack, you want to hand me that big bolt? You want to throw it in? Want to put it in there?
No, your shoe's greasy.
You thread it in as much as you can.
Oh, this is disgusting.
Is it?
Yes. It's greasy.
All right, don't thread it too much. Hold on.
Is that enough? Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. I gotta see if I can get this to go in there. Why are you not wanting to go in? Why won't you go in your hole?
Oh.
Maybe I shouldn't have put the hammer away.
Hand that to your dad.
I'm partially getting it on the floor.
All right. There's a direction on these washers too. They have like a little thing on the that's built into them so that they sit down in here. Be nice if I had a thread on there. Alright. There's one. Now we gotta figure this one out. In quite a bit. In my toolbox, on those little drawers that are on the side, there should be a punch that I was using yesterday. It's went in. It's in.
I missed it.
It's all right. Oh, yes. All right. We need to put this in. just asking.
No.
Alright, well, I'm just trying to jack this up so I can get bolts in it. But this thing's under a lot of pressure because this is what keeps the car from swaying. So it's not, but it's not. Trying to turn it into the spot where it goes. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to. There we go. Sort of ish. Still not right. Oh. Still not right. I mean, it's as right as it's gonna get, probably. Let's see if I flip this over, if it's any better. This bar is super strong, and it's in there at an angle so that it adds even more pressure to it, so it doesn't deflect. But the problem with that is that putting these things in here, these bolts in here, is a major act of Congress. I guess it's all about the proper amount of leverage. Alright, let's check this other side, make sure it's tight. Alright. German torque. Good and tight. There we go. Alright, now we just have to do the other side.
Ugh.
Has a little bit of a groan, a little bit. That's probably because I didn't, you know, the bushings will have to readjust from being tight from wherever they were before.
Does it seem fixed?
Well, it's not banging anymore. We'll take it for a ride and then see if it if it doesn't have a vibration anymore. We'll have to figure out what that is now.